the Standard Deviation Channel Indicator, which is offered for various platforms sub-well on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to understand how the indicator works and functions. We select the indicator file from the Navigator section and execute the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. This indicator draws channels on the chart, which we can use as support or resistance, levels, or to set stop loss, or take profit, levels. The Standard Deviation Channel Indicator calculates linear regression based on the specified range, displaying a line in the middle that connects to the closing prices within this range. It performs calculations using specified coefficients, subtracting from the midline and adding to the coefficients. Finally, it calculates and displays the drawn lines using the midline coefficients, which draw these two channel lines for us. In the settings section, under the input part, there are options available where we can set the basis of calculation, which by default is set to 0 or the current candle. If we change this number, for example, set it to show 10 and it goes back 10 candles and performs its calculations from the 10th candle. In the next section, there is the total bars option where we can set the number of candles included in this channel, which by default is 120 candles, and we can increase or decrease this amount. In the next section, we can adjust the channel coefficients, where the first coefficient is for the first midline, the first channel, and the second coefficients are for the second channel. For example, here I set the coefficient to 3, set the start bar to 10, and the total bars to 240, and then I confirm it. In this case, the calculation basis for me starts from the 10th candle. The coefficient of 3 that I set is based on 3 times the standard deviation distance. That is drawn here for me, and ultimately 240 candles are placed in this channel, for me, allowing us to observe the channel drawing trend in different time frames and see the price reaction to this channel. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I would be happy if you share your opinions and suggestions with us in the comments section.